Good morning, dear children. Open your English book. Today we are going to learn new lesson, the lesson number 7. The name of the lesson is the full warren. Warren means what? The warren is the home of a rabbit, where the rabbit live. Okay? The place where the rabbit live. What is the learning point of this lesson? The learning point is always help those who are in need. Need means गरज. नेहमी गरजू लोकांना मदत करावी. Let's begin this lesson with the discussion. Let's discuss, do you help your friends? Yes or no? Yes, you definitely help your friends. How do you help your friends? If your friend don't have a pencil, you share your pencil with him. You give your pencil to him. You lend your book if your friends don't have a book at the school. In this way, you help your friend. Did your friends help you anytime? Yes or no? Yes. Your friends also help you sometime. Speak about one such incident. Can you tell me such an incident when your friend helped you and you helped your friend? For example, when you were not feeling well, absent for 3-4 days in a school, your friend help you in completing homework. Or another example may be like this. One day you forgot your tiffin at home and your friend share his tiffin with you. In this way your friend also help you. It happens we helps our friend and friend also helps us when we feel need. So in this lesson today we are going to learn this learning point, that is always help those who are in need. This whole lesson is about this rabbit. What do you see in this picture? Here are some animals sitting in the burrow, in the warren. This is a warren of a rabbit. What is a warren? Warren is a place where the rabbit live, home of a rabbit. Rabbit's a घर. Okay. You can see here this is a spacious means there is more space, भरपूर जागा आहे. But actually the entrance of this burrow or the warren is very small, but inside there is a lot of space because it is a network of a burrow, small burrows. So such as the home of a warren, home of this rabbit, warren. Okay, understood what is warren? Let's read the lesson. Once a rabbit built a nice warren in a forest. In this way, once means एकदा रॅबिटने छानपैकी सुंदर असं घर फॉरेस्टमध्ये बांधलं. वॉरेन he lived there very happily. How was he living there? Very happily. The rabbit was very happy. When there was a rainstorm in the forest, all the animal homes got destroyed. Rainstorm means वादळ वारा. During rainy season there is a rainstorm, storm, वादळ वारा. And because of this rainstorm, what happens? All the animals' home got destroyed. सर्व प्राण्यांची घरं destroyed झाली. Destroyed means what? Damage. नाश होणे. During this rainy season, you might have seen how tree collapsed due to the rainstorm, and there were many things were damaged. Cow shed, even the trees fall on the home and destroyed the roof of the house. Such damage occur. Do you remember? Understood what is damage and how the rainstorm damaged the environmental. This rainstorm not only affect human beings, it also affect other living things in environment. So when there was a rainstorm in the forest, the other animals' homes got also destroyed. But the rabbit's warren was so strong that even a great rainstorm could not ruin it. Ruin it means spoil it. But means पण रॅबिट्स वॉरेन वॉज सो स्ट्रॉंग. रॅबिटचं वॉरेन खूप स्ट्रॉंग होतं. एवढं स्ट्रॉंग होतं की this great rainstorm could not ruin it. Winter came and it was freezing cold in the forest. Winter means थंडी सुरू झाली, हिवाळा आला आणि इट वॉज फ्रीजिंग कोल्ड इन द फॉरेस्ट. फ्रीजिंग कोल्ड म्हणजे कोठून टाकणारी थंडी जंगलामध्ये सुरू झाली. मेनी होमलेस ॲनिमल्स केम टू द रॅबिट्स डोअर asking if they could spend that winter in his warren. Actually, winter comes after rainy season. Winter comes, and in rainy season, you know what happened in rainy season. Because of the rainstorm, many homes of many animals got destroyed, and animals became homeless. होमलेस मीन्स बेघर झाले, बरेचसे प्राणी बेघर झाले. अँड व्हॉट स्टार्ट नाव, विंटर. थंडी सुरू झाली अँड इट वॉज अ फ्रीजिंग कोल्ड. हाऊ वॉज द विंटर? व्हेरी फ्रीजिंग. सो some animals or many animals came to the rabbit's door asking if they could spend that winter in his warren. या थंडीच्या दिवसामध्ये आसरा मिळवण्यासाठी बरेचसे प्राणी रॅबिटच्या वॉरेनकडे आले. ही इन्व्हायटेड इन ईच व्हिजिटर हॅपीली. ही इन्व्हायटेड मीन्स हाऊ डू यू इन्व्हाइट युअर फ्रेंड्स during on your birthday? In this way, happily you invite come. So he invited the each visitor. Each म्हणजे प्रत्येक व्हिजिटर. व्हिजिटर मीन्स whoever comes at his door. जो कोणी त्याच्या दाराकडे येतो, व्हिजिटर come to visit him. He happily invite him. Soon the warren was full. Full means there were many animals in his home. So warren became full. There was no room left. Room means here जागा. तिथे जागा जराही नव्हती. This discomfort didn't bother the rabbit because he felt he was helping others. Discomfort. What is the meaning of discomfort? In school, if you are sitting two students on one bench and teacher told to sit three more students with you, then how many students you will sit on one bench? 5 students. Is it possible to sit on one bench 5 students? It's not possible. But you sat on this bench. Then what happened? How do you feel? Do you feel comfort? No. How will you feel? Discomfort. Okay? How will you feel? Discomfort. Such a discomfort. So there was a discomfort for rabbit, but he didn't bother. This discomfort didn't bother the rabbit because he felt he was helping others. Bother means trasdayak. So such discomfort didn't bother him. Why it did not bother him? Because of this feeling. What was that feeling? That feeling was that he is helping his friends who are in need. So this discomfort did not bother him. Now spring came. Spring means Vasanta Rutu. Spring season comes after winter season. Spring is very delightful. Spring came. All the animals returned to their places. जे प्राणी त्याच्याकडे आसऱ्यासाठी आले होते विंटर सीझनमध्ये, ते आपापल्या घरी गेले. रिटर्न टू देअर प्लेसेस मीन्स स्वतःच्या घरी गेले. प्लेस मीन्स स्वतःचं घर त्यांचं. द रिबिल्ड देअर हाऊस. रिबिल्ड मीन्स मीन्स पुन्हा, बिल्ड म्हणजे बांधले. दे रिबिल्ड देअर होम्स मीन्स दे बिल्ड देअर होम अगेन.